Good day, everyone. Today we're gonna move on to our next topic, which is evaluating functions. Okay, before we proceed, let's have a little review about our knowledge in arithmetic and algebra. So, blank plus 3 equals 5. So, what number should we put here in order to arrive at 5? Or what number should we add to 3 in order to resolve to 5? Okay, so the answer is 2. Correct. Next, 2 times blank equals 6. So what number should we multiply to 2 in order to arrive to 6? Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay, so next we have some algebra here. So x plus 3 equals 5. What should be the value of x? That means that if we add to 3 will result to 5. Okay, so the value of x should be 2, right? Because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next, what is the value of x in this situation? Okay, so if our x is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is not equal to 7. Okay, so x is not 2, so let's try x equals 3. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, so therefore the value of x is 3. Okay, so now that you have learned how to substitute a given value, it should be easy for us now to evaluate a function. To evaluate a function, we simply substitute the variable by its given value. Example, if f of x equals x plus 1, find the value of f of 2. We can see that x is equal to 2. Basically, x is the number inside the function f. And we're looking for the value of the function. So, what is the value of f when x is 2? All we got to do is replace x with 2. So, instead of writing f of x, we write f of 2. Okay, equals, and instead of writing x plus 1, we write 2 plus 1. Okay, so we just apply the operation. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the value of f when x is 2 is 3. Next example, if our function is 2x plus 5, find the value of f of negative 2. Again, we simply replace the x by its given value. So instead of writing f of x, we write f of negative 2. Okay, instead of writing 2x, we write 2 times negative 2. Okay, and plus 5. Okay, we just do the math. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Bring down 5. So negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. So the value of f of negative 2 is positive 1. Next example, if our g of x equals to x plus 3, find the value of f of negative 2. Okay, so same process. We just replace x by its given value, which is negative 2. So we have g of negative 2. Okay, instead of g of x, we write g of negative 2 equals. So 2x, instead of 2x, we write 2 times negative 2 plus 3. Then we do the math. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Example 4. If our g of x equals to x squared plus 3x, find the value of g of negative 1. Okay, so we have the same process. So I hope you can easily learn this, no? Okay, so our solution, we have g of, instead of x, we replace x with negative 1 here. Okay, equal, so copy the equal. So 2, instead of x, we write negative 1 and copy the squared plus 3 times negative 1. Always remember that you will replace all x. Okay, so negative 1 squared is positive 1 times 2, we have positive 2. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Therefore, the value of our g of x, or the value of our function g, if x is negative 1, is negative 1. Okay, example 5. If h of x equals 3x plus 2, find h of 2x. As you can see here, the value of our x is 2x. Okay, so instead of writing h of x, we write, so this x, you will replace 8 by 2x. Okay, then copy the equal sign. So copy the 3. Instead of x, we write the 2x and copy the plus 2. Okay, we apply the distributive property. So 3 times 2x is, we have 6x, copy the plus 2. Because there are not the same terms, so we just leave it alone. So this is the answer, 6x plus 2. Okay, another example. If h of x equals 3x plus 1, find the value of h of x minus 1. Same process, so we copy h, and instead of x, we replace it by x minus 1. X minus 1, copy the equal sign, copy the 3. Instead of x, we replace it by x minus 1 again, x minus 1. Then copy the rest, which is plus 1. Okay, so here there is an operation inside the parentheses, so we distribute this 3. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Copy the plus 1. So 3x, because no same terms or no like terms, so we just bring it down. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So our the value of our h when x is x minus 1 is 3x minus 2. Okay, so if you have queries, just message me, or if you want an exclusive tutorial for you, just send me the problem. Okay, so thank you for watching, and before we end this, try this. If f of x equals 2x squared plus 3, find the value of f of x plus 1. Thank you for watching.